Is it collusion on the part of the retail investors? Because, and correct me if I'm wrong, as far as I understand, obviously the institutions can't collude together to move the market, but the retail investor can. And is collusion something that regulators might potentially look at down the line?
Of course, if it is indeed established to be collusion, then of course this is something the regulators will be very much concerned about. But it's not clear in this case whether we can or cannot call this collusion, because the investors are just talking, expressing their opinions on these platforms, Reddit, etc., etc. So just like people talk, right? People talk about the stocks they want to buy. People talk about the stocks they want to sell. There's nothing particular about colluding nature in this episode. Of course, the hedge funds can do the same. And so nothing in this regard is particularly concerning. It remains to be investigated by the regulators.
Sure. I just want to quickly step in with a follow-up on that, Professor, because at the end of the day, from what Mandy is saying, you look at these screens, you look at these chat boards, and you are seeing the back and forth of information and heavy exchange of information. Wouldn't that qualify as collusion?
Well, it is information, but there is a lot of information not necessarily about collusion, right? It's information about people trading. It's you look at the stock boards and the price goes up. It's nothing about collusion in general. You need to establish certain kind of again, malintention in the first place to work against something, and that evidence is quite difficult to establish.